Shamrck Pre-Professional Academy is redefining high school education and CTAE. Launching in fall 2025, it offers a hybrid homeschool model for grades 9 to 12, blending academics with career training. The Academy's unique approach combines traditional high school with college-level delivery. In the junior varsity years, students focus on core courses and career pathways. Varsity years include dual enrollment, internships, and apprenticeships, preparing students for life after graduation. Shamrck leverages the Dexter-Mosley Act, allowing students to participate in district sports and activities. Combining academics with athletics, the Academy supports scholar athletes in pursuing collegiate sports, leadership, and general wellness. Students attend in-person classes Monday through Wednesdays, with self-directed learning on Thursdays. Fridays are reserved for wellness, athletic conditioning, and other student needs, offering a flexible learning experience. Shamrck specializes in high-demand careers like information technology, business management, and engineering. Students can earn industry certifications and college credits, making them workforce-ready upon graduation. The income-based tuition model ensures affordability and helps parents reach private school education without high costs. Work-study opportunities and financial aid further reduce tuition, making quality education accessible to all. We seek to transform education so your student has the best chance at the future they want. We are Shamrck Pre-Professional Academy,